What if I told you that you could get perfect outdoor-style grilled steak right on your kitchen counter without any of the smoke or the guesswork? No more cutting into your meat to see if it's done, and no more overcooked chicken. Today, we are looking at the Ninja Foodi DG551 Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill. This isn't just a grill, it's a game changer for anyone who wants restaurant-quality results at home. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how this smart system actually thinks for you. The Ninja Foodi DG551 is the second generation of their famous XL grill series, but what makes it smart is this: the integrated smart thermometer. Instead of guessing the temperature, you simply plug this probe into your meat, select your protein type, and choose your desired level of doneness, from rare to well done. The grill constantly monitors the internal temperature and shuts off automatically when it's perfectly cooked. It even accounts for carryover cooking, so your steak rests to perfection. If you've ever struggled with cooking thick cuts of meat, this feature alone makes the DG551 worth every penny. But don't let the name fool you. It's called a 6-in-1 for a reason. Beyond grilling, you can air fry with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. You can also roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. The XL in the name stands for capacity. The grill grate fits up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs at once. It uses 500 degrees cyclonic air to circulate heat around the food, giving you those beautiful char-grilled marks and flavors, while keeping the inside incredibly juicy. Plus, with Ninja's smoke control system, you won't have to worry about your smoke alarm going off every time you cook. Now, let's talk about the part everyone hates: the cleanup. Luckily, Ninja made this easy. The grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all ceramic coated and non-stick. More importantly, they're all dishwasher safe. Even the splatter shield is removable, so keeping the unit clean is surprisingly simple. For busy families or professionals, this saves a massive amount of time in the kitchen. So, is the Ninja Foodi DG551 worth it? If you want the convenience of an air fryer combined with the power of a professional grill, the answer is a resounding yes. It's consistent, it's fast, and it takes the stress out of cooking. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or hosting a small dinner party, this machine delivers every time. If you want to grab one for your kitchen, check the link in the description below for the best price. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews. Happy cooking!